If you're looking to use gamification in the classroom on Skool, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to tap into Skool's potential to make learning engaging and effective for students, all through the power of gamification. Stick around because, by the end, I'll be sharing an exclusive offer, plus some alternatives that might be even better for your needs. Let's dive in. First up, Skool allows you to create interactive, gamified courses that are perfect for driving engagement. You can set up achievement systems that reward students for completing lessons or assignments, making learning feel like a game. The best part? Students can track their progress as they go, which helps them stay motivated and focused. But here's the catch: while Skool does allow for customizations, the gamification options can be a little limited compared to other platforms. Next thing, Skool offers a points and badge system, which is great for a sense of accomplishment. You can set up different levels, awarding points for completing certain actions like watching videos, participating in discussions, or completing assignments. The more they do, the more points they get, and that unlocks new levels or rewards. It's a solid approach to gamification. However, it's not as robust as other platforms, and sometimes you need additional tools to really make this gamification feel more interactive and dynamic. The third thing to keep in mind is the discussion boards, which are a powerful feature in Skool. Students can compete for the most valuable posts or discussions, which can lead to a more interactive learning experience. This gamifies the communication aspect of learning by making it a fun challenge to contribute to discussions, but again, it's not as polished or automated as some might prefer. If you're looking for advanced features to really engage your students with gamified elements in discussion, you might find Skool a bit too basic. Next thing, while Skool provides a social platform feel, gamifying that social interaction can be tricky. Sure, you can create competition, but unless you manually set up challenges or quizzes, Skool doesn't quite have the gamified community features that some other platforms do. It's not a huge deal, but it's something to be aware of if you're really focused on community engagement as part of your gamification strategy. The fourth thing to consider is Skool's layout and overall user interface. It's clean and easy to navigate, but when you add gamification elements, it can start to feel a bit cluttered. Too many badges or point counters can distract from the core learning experience, so balancing gamification with simplicity is key here. Now, if you're looking for more advanced gamification features that are specifically tailored for classroom settings, there are a couple of alternatives worth considering. Platforms like Classcraft or Edmodo offer more comprehensive gamification tools that let you do everything from adding avatars to fully custom point systems, quests, and more. These tools are designed specifically for education and might be better for someone who wants to take gamification to the next level. At the end of the day, Skool is a solid platform for integrating basic gamification, especially for small communities or informal classrooms. But if you're looking for something with more gamified features, there are other platforms that may better suit your goals. Here's the exciting part. You can get an exclusive extended free trial to Skool through our link, which offers extra benefits only available to our viewers. But before you decide, check out those alternative platforms with even more robust gamification features, also offering free trials. Click the link below for the best free trials and exclusive benefits, and I'll catch you in the next video.